Hey everybody, welcome to the Virginia and Truckee Railroad. My name's Jim. I'm just going to walk you through this video. I made this on May 28th of 2022. So this is right before the Great Western Steam Up. You can see the Reno is in its position there. Normally it's at the head end of the track. So it's in a different spot at the moment in this video. This is being done with a DJI Air 2S drone. And this is not me flying. This is the I forget the name of the mode, but it's like an automatic mode that takes, different angles. Like here it's gonna, look down and then it's gonna look back up and kind of rush in on the depot. I think it has some really good effects, and it's definitely better at flying the drone than I am. So yeah, you see the 29 there. It's got the bunting on it. I don't recall why that particular day was special that they would have bunting. You see the depot grounds here, and then there you get a little better view of the Reno. And then we're going to, this is going to go on for about another minute or two, and then we're going to get into a long, several minutes long drone view of the 29 coming in from Gold Hill. So we'll pick up with it about once it passes the V&T yard, and then we'll watch it from overhead coming into the station. All right, well, hey, I appreciate everybody watching this. Look at that machine. It's so beautiful. There's 29 has its own fan club. It's interesting. There's people that really like the 29 more than the Reno, surprisingly. Well, the 29 runs. Okay, so have a good day. Thanks everybody for watching, and we hope to see you ride the train someday. Thanks.